All right, guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. All right, so this is just more like a sneak peek, right, into what we are preparing for you on the 11th of this month. So if you have not registered for our free upcoming live training on how to use AI to retouch, before you start watching this video, quickly comment interested in the comment section, and we are going to add you to the community. Remember, if you don't register, you're not going to be getting the free 100 credits that Kumoo is giving. Okay, so the first thing you need to do when you want to use Kumoo, of course, is to take care of your blemishes, unless you want to do some lighting adjustment and all of that. But looking at the image, I feel it's cool, so I'm not going to do all of that. All I'm going to do is to take care of the blemishes, and let's see how fast we can get this image retouched using this AI. So I'm just quickly going to take care of the acne on the face, I had to go back. Okay, so the acne on the face, the acne on the body, and of course mole for face, because I'm seeing quite a lot of blemishes on her. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to turn on my body blemishes so that all of that is gone. Then increase my dark circles a little, but I'm not going to, push it all the way through. I'm going to leave every other thing the same way, and we'll go straight down to our skin retouching. So right here inside our skin retouching, I would also love to do some frequency separation on my object. So I'll just come to my frequency separation over here for face. Keep it somewhere around 70-ish. A little bit of high frequency, then do the same thing for the body, but for the body I'm going to keep it at 100, keep my low at 100, and push up my high to this level. So the reason I did it like this is so that I will get a lot of textures on her body and still retain some level of smoothness. So once that is done, I'll come to my AI retouch for face and come all the way up to my skin refinement effect and my neutral gray leveling, then push up my gray contour to make sure I do not lose out anything. And this is the result we'll have: the before, the after. So once all of this is done, we are practically halfway done with our image retouching. What is the next thing I will do? I'll just play around the skin tone. So looking at her skin, you're of course going to know she's quite a dark chocolate skin. So I'm going to use my cocoa, right, and I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Keep it somewhere around here, and of course warm up the skin tone. And of course warm up the skin tone. So I'll just push up my skin tone quite up a little, and we are good to go. So if you want to make any adjustment to the body, which I don't think I want to do, when I say body, I mean quite the body shape and all of that. Then another thing, I'm noticing that her face is slightly darker than the body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to balance the skin tone between the face and the body, so we'll have a very uniform skin tone. So the next thing I would want to show you is, let's say you want to give her a modeling body, but she actually have a perfect body. But if you want to do that, we'll go all the way down to body, right click on model, and it's going to try to remodel her body. Then we'll keep it somewhere around here, and we are absolutely good to go. This is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. So looking at it, I think the skin tone is too dark, so I increase my brightness a little bit and my whitening a little bit. This is how you use Kumoo to retouch your images. And if of course you have other images you want to retouch, all you need to do is to synchronize, and you will get the same result on every single other images of hers that you want to use. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. And before I leave you, let me remind you again that Photographics Academy is having a live event coming up on the 11th of February, which is practically in 2 days time from when this video is recorded. So if you are watching this video and you have not registered, you need to comment interested in the comment section. Of course, I know you are going to see the live stream when we go live, but you need to understand that Kumoo is giving out 300 credits to every single person that registers. So make sure you comment interested so that you also receive your own 300 credits for being a part of this amazing live event. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and after subscribing, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time we'll drop a new video. See you on the next one.